ever been asked to take notes in a meeting and felt like it was a task to avoid? Today I'm going to share why saying yes to taking notes can actually be a powerful project management move, especially in high-stakes initiatives. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Dr. Katie Linder, a certified project manager, change manager, and coach who works full-time leading and supporting teams in higher education. On this channel, I offer real-world examples of how project management translates into the higher ed environment. If you're looking for ways to use project management tools and skills, both professionally and personally, to bring more ease to your work and life, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're looking at how something as simple as taking meeting notes can connect to project management and help you become a more effective contributor on campus. Let's start with some of the reasons why taking notes can be an asset. First, by taking notes, you bring organizational structure to the conversation. When you take notes, you're not just documenting what's said, you're creating a roadmap. Especially in higher ed, where meetings often include people from varied backgrounds with different priorities, your structured notes can cut through ambiguity and help everyone move forward together. Second, by taking notes, you can gain a deeper appreciation for the work. Taking notes forces you to listen actively and pay close attention to what's being discussed. This deeper engagement helps you understand the work's intricacies, context, and interdependencies. It also enhances your situational awareness, allowing you to notice emerging themes, recurring challenges, or unstated concerns. Over time, this perspective can make you a more strategic contributor. Third, by taking notes, you develop a useful record for accountability. A strong set of meeting notes serves as a living document that teams can refer back to. This can prevent misunderstandings about decisions, clarify who committed to what, and help new team members catch up quickly. In project management, where tracking progress and following up on deliverables is crucial, this record becomes a backbone of accountability and progress. Fourth, when you take notes, you hone at least 4 important core project management skills. You're practicing active listening by tuning into key points and differentiating between important and trivial information. You're also practicing task identification when you're spotting and capturing actionable items in real time. Another skill that is strengthened through note-taking is timeline awareness, since you're recognizing deadlines and timing dependencies as they come up. And lastly, you're practicing the concept of stakeholder alignment, understanding who owns which pieces of the work and how their goals fit together. These are the same skills you'll need to lead projects successfully. A fifth asset to taking notes is that you build credibility and influence. Over time, being the person who consistently brings clarity and direction through well-documented notes enhances your professional reputation. Colleagues will see you as reliable and organized, someone who understands the full picture and can connect the dots. This credibility often leads to increased influence, more leadership opportunities, and a stronger voice in shaping project outcomes. Now that we've identified why taking notes can be such an asset, let's explore some tips for taking effective notes. First, you'll want to use consistent formats that help you to identify action items, decisions, and open questions. Next, highlight owners of tasks and decisions so that accountability is clear. If there are deadlines or dates discussed, make sure to note those as well. And you'll want to share notes promptly and make them easy to reference for other members of the project group that you're working with. In higher education, where collaboration across departments and roles is common, being the person who brings structure to meetings is a huge value add. It positions you as someone who can move ideas forward and ensure that things don't fall through the cracks. These small contributions add up over time, reinforcing a culture of clarity, accountability, and execution, all of which are key components of successful project management. So next time you're asked to take notes in a meeting, don't see it as a chore. See it as an opportunity to step into a leadership role, build project management muscles, and support your team in a meaningful way. If you have note-taking strategies that work for you, or examples of how this has helped you in your role, share them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more practical tips on using project management skills to be more successful both professionally and personally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.